customer buy all 3 products the other day. Or 3 out of 4 products. That's pretty good, right? So if you were just selling one product or one swimming product, that's all you would get. You would get 1 customer, 1 payment. But the fact that you're selling other stuff, you've got other stuff to sell. Like you've got more profit centers. It's like when you go to McDonald's and they say, would you like fries with that, right? They make their profit margin out of the fries and the Coke. The Big Mac, they don't make any profit. That just covers their cost. They break even on that, right? So where they make the most money is the upsells. The Coke and the fries and the ice cream. So it's the same thing with you. So when you're looking for product ideas, don't just think one product, think 1, 2, 3. What are some other stuff I can sell in that product range? All right. Number 3, find a good quality supplier at the best price. So a lot of different options. We'll talk about that a little bit later today. Number 4, get a sample and do your product due diligence. Step number 5, set up your Amazon account. We'll cover that as well. Something I've got there, a little warning, Amazon has a storage limit. You can probably ignore that for now. When COVID hit, Amazon did have a storage limit. It was bad. They said no more than, I think it was like 300 units. But now they've opened it up. So it's actually a lot easier now, so you can ignore that. Step number 6, create your Amazon listing and get to the barcode. I'll show you today how to create barcodes. And I'll sort of explain the differences in barcodes as well. Step number 7, order and pay from your supplier and ship your products to the Amazon warehouse. You don't have to use Amazon warehouse if you don't want to. We've got clients that just ship products out themselves. You can do that. There's nothing wrong with that, but it means you've got to store the products yourself. And do you really want to do that? Some people don't. But if you've got space and you're happy to store it, if you sell a really bulky product, a really heavy product, then it might be suitable. You might want to store stuff yourself. But yeah, if you sell a product that's not only bulky, but maybe Amazon don't want to store. If it contains lithium batteries, this speaker that I'm using here contains a lithium battery. Amazon, you can't fly with lithium batteries because they explode. Right? Amazon don't want to store lithium batteries that big in their warehouse because, again, they explode. I don't know whether you noticed, Tesla, when they first, if you read the book by Elon Musk, right, their first Teslas exploded. A lot of them did. If something crushed the battery, the whole car would blow up. So lithiums are very flammable. So I think it was like 2 years ago, Amazon's warehouse, one of the Amazon warehouses in America burned to the flames. Hundreds of millions of dollars stock, just gone, because someone had something there that they shouldn't have had. So Amazon are very particular about what they call hazmat products, lithium batteries, in products. And this is why we say don't sell products with batteries.